Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet. This little powerhouse has definitely caught our attention, and we can't wait to share all the details with you. First of all, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and recommendations. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Now, let's talk about the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet. Just imagine having a 8.8-inch 144Hz refresh rate screen in the palm of your hands. Whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite shows, or simply browsing the web, this tablet delivers stunning visuals and smooth performance. And with a resolution of 2560*1600 and 500 nits of brightness, your viewing experience will be truly immersive. But it's not just about the display. This tablet is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus octa-core processor and runs on the latest Android 13 with Y700. Combine that with either 12GB plus 256GB or 16GB plus 512GB of storage, and you've got yourself a device that can handle anything you throw at it. Let's not forget about the battery life. With a 6550 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, you can say goodbye to constant worrying about running out of juice. Plus, the tablet comes with some impressive camera capabilities, dual Type-C interfaces, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, face recognition, and so much more. When you purchase the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023 gaming tablet, you'll get the tablet itself, a charger, a Type-C USB data cable, credentials, a card pusher, and quick start and security guide, everything you need to get started right out of the box. So, if you're in the market for a powerful, versatile, and compact gaming tablet, look no further than the Lenovo Legion Y700 2023. Click the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment down below. Happy gaming!